The Elite Hood aluminum stand versus the Viozon stand. They are both great for desk organization and ergonomically thoughtfully designed so you don't have to strain your neck anymore. The Elite Hood is so easy to clean, great for keeping your devices from getting dirty in the kitchen. You can hold your smaller devices like iPads and phones because of the wonderful silicone where it says Elite and the hooks that have silicone wrapped around. You don't have to worry about anything slipping off. Also, there's silicone on the bottom, so everything is very sturdy. This is very compact and folds so small that you can bring it with you anywhere and read outdoors if you like. The acrylic Viozon stand is absolutely stunning and holds larger devices like your laptops. It could also hold smaller devices too. I like how it folds and is compact in size and great in the kitchen because you can put your books on it and it turns 360 degrees, making you as mobile as you need to be. It is wonderful for reading because of these clamps that pull down and you can hold your pages in place. This is so great to use even when it's compact because when you put your laptop on it, it doesn't overheat when you set it down on soft items. The acrylic stand is very versatile as well. Both are amazing, but the choice is yours.